We are going to make a delicious, delicious and nutritious shake. We are back, and by we I mean me. Me and Mila over there somewhere. Either on the last video I showed you my updated pantry, or it'll be on the next video. Either way, I did a total revamp of my pantry in my kitchen, and it feels so good. It feels so good because now I know where everything is, and I know when I'll be out of something, so I have to buy more. It's just, my life is gonna be a lot easier because that pantry is organized. The next thing is gonna be my closet. It's gonna take forever. I want to share with you my favorite shake. It is getting to be colder out, and I don't like shakes as much when it's cold out. This shake is so delicious, and it has everything in it. It has macronutrients, micronutrients, energy, it has hydration. So I try and eat this when I'm not eating as many vegetables, or I just want like a big boost in health. Yeah. So scientific. Let us get started. When I'm not using Lifetime's beef collagen protein, I really like this. I love this vegan protein by Sprouts, vanilla. It tastes really good, and the macros are pretty damn good too. It only has 4 carbs, 2.5 grams of fat, and 20 grams of protein. I have an issue with whey, so I try and stay away from dairy. I do notice that I bloat, not immediately. Sometimes it takes like a day or two, but I bloat from having dairy in my life. Try not to have it as often as I used to. I'm going to add some mushrooms. This is usually what I'll use when I'm doing like a pre-workout. I'm not working out right now, so I'm not gonna put this in today. It doesn't change the taste at all, but these are cordyceps, and it's a non-stimulant energy from mushrooms. And then this is reishi mushroom, and it's very good for, it's an adaptogen, and it's for immunity and longevity. So this helps with mental stress, and lately I feel like I have a little bit of mental stress. Gonna go mental, no, but work has gotten busier. My Sharks Bites of Life, I'm working on really focusing to get that busy, ramp it up for the holiday season. So I just feel like I'm overwhelming myself. So I'm just adding in a little bit of adaptogens to help with my stress. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but you know, it's all mental, right? So when you're working out, you burn glutamine, so it's good to replace it in your body. And it is good for your immune system and your digestive health. And they do give this to people in the hospitals as well. Not this exact one, but I do know that they give glutamine to hospital patients for their immunity and their gut health. I'm gonna add some good old kale. This is maca, M-A-C-A. It is a root, and it is good for boosting your natural testosterone. It is also an adaptogen. Right now I'm really working on trying to get my hormones level and better than level. I want them to be optimal. My testosterone right now is super low. My thyroid hormone is now like picking up. So I switched from, this has gotta be a whole nother video, but I'll just give you a little tidbit. So I was taking Synthroid and a T3 medicine, and my levels were slowly dropping to be more hypothyroid. I didn't want to take more of the medicines because I felt like I was already on quite a bit. So I switched over to a natural thyroid medication, and my body has been really responding. So I'm excited. I'm less foggy brained, less forgetful. I feel like I have words that come to me faster, and they don't just sit in the back of my head like, what am I trying to say? I still do that a little bit, but that's just me. Maca is helping me with that. And then for a little bit of flavor, I got sweet dark cherries, cashew milk, and then I've actually never added this into my shake before, but I'm gonna do it today. The hydration Ucan packet. Right now I'm working with a dietary coach. He has me taking this twice a day, along with Lifetime's greens, which has like probiotics, vegetables and fruits and enzymes and all this good stuff. I ran out of them, so I just had to order more. Yeah, I'm working with him, and I've already dropped 6 pounds in the last month. I will definitely share a little bit of what I'm doing. I am not making crazy changes. I'm not working out more often. I'm just doing the little things that my body needs. Right. All right, let's get to making the shake. Just so you guys know exactly what I do, I'll measure it out for you, just so you can see that it turns out the exact same. So I'm gonna do a cup. This is the kale. A cup of kale. 1 and a half reishi powder. Oh, I found it. I found it. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna still do this. And we got glutamine. $85 grams. If it's a little bit too thick, you can just add more water. Don't feel the need to add more cashew milk just because it's already creamy. So I just add a little bit of water. I like to scrape things so I get all of the good stuff. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give the shake a try and maybe make a few modifications yourself to make it your perfect shake. I really like the way that the cherries taste because it's like a cherry vanilla milkshake. Oh, so good. You can't taste the kale, so if you're worried about that, you can also do spinach. You can do like any type of greens. I just usually go back and forth between kale and spinach. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you try it. Thank you again for subscribing and liking if you have done so. If not, hopefully I've convinced you to stick around, and if not, that's okay too. I know that my content's been a little bit random, but I'm a little bit random. Bye guys.